Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today 24th October. Yesterday Nifty closed around 19,278. So we can confirm now the C wave has been on process and we are expecting this move right from 19,840 zone. Actually it turned bearish around this zone itself if you are watching the channel for the past months. So the price is moving as expected, and this is the starting point of wave C down, and we can count the internals here. In last video, I expected that the support may come around this zone because of the Fib numbers and the gap support. Before proceeding the market update, in one of my previous video regarding the Elliott Wave trading of explaining the Elliott Wave trading method of wave 5, I have shared two methods, aggressive entries and conservative entry. If you remember, in conservative entry, imagine this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I explained in bullish scenario. I just replicate it now in bearish scenario. So after a 5-wave correction, we are expecting a 3-wave upside. Mostly this correction retracement will end near the wave 4 top. Now again this 5-wave down may start. Okay, this entire structure we call it as A, B and C, right? This is the pattern we are expecting here also. Okay, so this 5 waves is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and ABC, ABC and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here in short positions, we can give an entry here based on some calculations as we explained before. Okay, that is called aggressive entry. Conservative entry is when the price moves below this level, that is the B point. Okay, this is called conservative entry in Elliott Wave trading, that is trading the zigzag wave. Okay, after completion of a zigzag wave, the earlier trend resuming. This is how we need to take an entry in conservative approach. So now there are cases wave 1 can end here and wave 2 may go and wave 3 will break this level. This is one type, and in some scenario wave 1 exactly ends here and a retracement and wave 3 breaks here. This is what I expected here. So the wave 1 may complete here and a pullback will happen, then third wave may start. What happened is this first scenario. This is what happening. Okay, the wave 1 completed here and wave 3 breaks this level. Still I have an other option I'll explain. Okay, another option is wave 1 itself will break and a bigger retracement and the third wave will start. So these are the options. Okay, just for knowledge purpose I am sharing this information. So this is one of the reason I expected wave 1 could end here and a retracement may move upside. If you remember my previous video, I have said one more option that we already in wave 3. Okay, if the price not get support here and breaks below this point, I said that the price may be still in wave 3. That is wave 1, wave 2, and this entire move can be wave 3. That is wave 1, wave 2 and wave 3, wave 4, 5. So this will complete the wave 3. Okay, and a wave 4 and our expected range of 18,900 to complete this C wave. Okay, but where to take now? Wave 1 end, here or here? Actually both are correct. We can take, if we take this wave 1, wave 2, this can be wave 1 of 3, 2 of 3 and 3 of 3. This 3 of 3 may support here, that is 19,200 zone, the previous low point, and a wave 4, that is wave 4 of 3 and wave 3 completes, and a bigger wave 4 and final wave 5 of C may end near 18,900. This is one option. Or this can be wave 1. Okay, this entire move can be wave 1 and wave 2 and wave 3. So if we check on this basis, wave 2 has been reached almost 50%, but not exactly 50%. So wave 2 is not deep. So we may expect a wave 4 deeper than expected, that is 38% to 50%. So for the time being, take it as this is wave 1. Anyway, we are in wave 3, but still this can be wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. This is expectation. Okay. This support also eventually will be paused and this get retested and 5 may goes down. This is expected range now. So wave 3, where can wave 3 get ended? So this is not possible to predict. But with the help of Fib numbers, we can project and anticipate and level what that could be. Suppose if this is the point, if wave 1 is ended here. So if this is the case, wave 3 can go. Say exactly price range 1.236 levels, but the wave 3 may go to 1.618. Okay. That comes around 19,150. Okay. Then this wave 4 may happen and a wave 5. So these are the possibilities now. So this is one possibility. Okay. Change the color. This is one possibility. Okay. Suppose, so I'll just mark this level, 19,150. Okay. This is the previous low. Okay. This red point is previous low, previous wave 4 low. Okay. Suppose if this is wave 1, okay, wave 2, and wave 3 is extending like this. It changes color to red. Okay. So if this is the case, wave 3 can go. So if this is the case, wave 1, wave 2 low. Again, nothing much difference. So that means the minor wave 3 can end at the previous support point. Okay, that is around 19,200 and 210, that zone, and the 4 may retrace and the 5 may complete around 19,150. Okay. Wait. I put these lines for more clarity. Okay. This red line is, I'm talking about only the third wave extending. Okay. The 5 waves of third wave alone. Okay. This is the possibility. The minor support may come around 19,220 and the wave 4, and wave 3 can end at 19,150. So these are the possibilities now. So in it's internal of wave 3 or entire wave 3. Okay. But all this price action is part of wave 3 correction, because we know that I always mention, give importance to the character and the personality of the waves. See, this is the wave personality. It will be straight and steep. Okay. So I repeat again, if we take it as minor wave 1 and main 2, this entire thing as wave 3. In that wave 3, it can be wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3 may end 19,220, and wave 4 retracement, and the 5 may go to 19,150. This one possibility if the wave 3 is extending. If we take count like this, if not, this is wave 1, this is wave 2. Okay. And this third wave may complete at already reached exactly at 19,250, that is 1.236 levels. So we may expect support here 19,200. Eventually it can end at 19,120. So nothing much difference. So I go with the first option. So this option I will take now. But anyway, it is wave 3. We need to look for some intermittent bounces and eventually reach 19,150 for wave 3 to end. Then a wave 4 may happen. Okay. Okay. Now I put the, okay, for that I remove this wave and I use this. Okay. For that, this will happen 1, 2, 3, and a 4 and a 5. So the 5 we are expecting now is 18,900 zone. Okay. This is the update on Nifty. Okay. Why is 18,900 zone? If you check in daily chart. Okay. See, this is clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and ABC. And I already informed that after all the 5 waves, there is no need a correction to 61.8%. We need to check what are those 5 waves. It may be part of wave 1, wave 3, or wave 5. I believe this is part of wave C or wave 3, that is ending diagonal in Nifty. So I expect not 61%. So in Nifty, in daily chart, we are expecting a 38% retracement. This 38% retracement comes to 18,900. Okay. So in weekly chart in Nifty, I'm expecting this correction as a D wave, and one more high expecting is around 20,600 to 21,000. If this wave supports here and moves higher. Okay. So we need to check that. So since I am expecting that this can be a shallow correction, and one more higher high is still bending in Nifty, so I'm expecting a correction to end at 18,900 zone initially. So this is one point, and this ABC, if we get one more confluence point from Fib numbers, we may expect a good support at that point. So calculating the wave A and from wave B. Okay. See, so actually while calculating the 61.8% and 100% is very important. So this is crossing 61.8 and crossing with a very good bearish candle. So the correction may not stop here. So while calculating, 38.2% comes to 18,920, and 100% of VA comes to 18,950. This is an important zone. Okay. So that's why I'm saying this level for almost a month now. So 18,900 to 18,950 is an important support, and this correction may end at these levels. Okay. This is daily chart. And in Bank Nifty, 1 week or 2 weeks before in video, I said that Nifty, even Nifty has some possibility of going some retracement upside, but Bank Nifty has no possibility and it will decline, and it happened. So again, this is the starting point of wave C, and even though it has some gaps, I take it as the entire this point as wave 1, because if I go to some higher time frame, for example 2 or 4 hours, this can be seen as a wave 1, wave 2. Okay. Yes, an important tip. Okay. Always start from a higher time frame, minimum hourly. Okay. And then lower your time frame to have a confluence with the higher time frame. Don't go inverse. That is, if you are new to Elliott Wave, start with at least weekly and daily chart. Get the counts correct. And then you go deeper, that is hourly, to get the confluence with the daily or weekly. Don't go to the lower time frame to take decisions. First take decisions on higher time frame and get the confirmation from lower time frame. 4-hour chart, it looks like this is wave 1, wave 2. So this point I take it as low point of wave 1. Okay. So same like Nifty, if it is wave 1, wave 2, this is wave 3, obviously. See this candle here and this one. So this can be extending third wave, that is wave 1, wave 2 and wave 3 of 3. Same like Nifty, we just saw wave 1, wave 2, and within wave 3, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, 5, 3, 4 and 5. The same applies here also. So I am going with this count, that is, this is wave 1, wave 2, and this entire is wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. This is just an indication level. Okay. And within this third wave, this third wave is extending. Hope you understand this concept. Okay. I'll put the wave same as like before. Okay. So this is wave 1 and this is wave 2, and within wave 3 we are getting 5 waves. Where is the possible support point for wave 3? See, the extending wave 3 we cannot predict, as said before, we cannot predict the ending point of wave 3. Okay, but just expecting. So if we calculate from this wave, I'm not calculating the subwaves. So main first wave. So the third wave may reach to 2.618 because it already crossed 1.618 times and it is approaching 2.618, that is around 42,800. So I just draw a line here. So 42,800. This is one option. And if we calculate from the internals of wave 3, wave 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and we are in 3 of 3. We calculate from this level, it reaches exactly 43,000. This may be possibly of end of 3. Okay, end of 4, and this 5 may end here. We need to check. Okay, this is the completion of only wave 3. Okay, or this wave 3 low may come to 42,800 levels, and the wave 4 may. So this will complete the wave 3. And a wave 4 and a wave 5. These are all possibilities. So we need to look for now in Bank Nifty 42,800 zone may give a support, but that is not the end point of wave C. Okay. These are some possible support points, but eventually this retracement will be get sold off, and the expected end point of correction is, so where can this ABC may stop? So in daily chart, so if we calculate from this level, we already crossed 38 points. So next support is around 42,476. That is approximately 42,450 to 500. Okay, I remove others for clarity. So this is the expected support. If you get a confluence point from this flat correction, we already know that flat and irregular flat, whatever it is, the C wave may go to 1.382% to 1.618% of wave A distance. We check with this. Okay. 1.618 comes to 41,759 and 1 point, okay. So 1.382 comes around the same level of 42,400. So 42,400 to 42,500. So the 42,400 to 42,500, the correction may stop or a given important support zone in Bank Nifty. So this can be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and wave 4 and wave 5. Okay. So this is what we need to look forward. The minor support will be end of wave 3 only, and the price may go sideways in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And then a final dip to complete the fifth wave comes around Bank Nifty, that is 42,400 to 42,500. In Nifty, that is 18,900 to 18,950. So this is what now we look forward for getting an important support. This is what I'm expecting now. The correction may stop or an important support may come. None of the things are recommendations. Please don't treat them as any sort of recommendations, and don't use these opinions and ideas for your trading purpose. I'm sharing all this information only for the purpose of using the Elliott wave in more practical way. Okay. So thank you. Thanks for your support. If you like my work, kindly subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a good week. Bye.